How to syntax highlight via less. Is there a way to syntax highlight a file I see in less? Actually, I'm using this command to open an XML file, and sometimes a series of them. Or I'd like to stay in less, to learn that program better, and to use my knowledge of N and tongue sticking out for next/previous navigation. But it also wants some kind of basic syntax highlighting, at least show the comments differently. Do you know any way to do it?
You can use news source highlight, as shown here. Path may differ, see below. As of Debian Stretch and Fedora 25, package names and script paths differ. Debian, Fedora,
I think that you should use a text editor. I like Vim myself. That will give you lots of power when viewing files, and then when you want to edit them you will already know the basics. Here are some of the advantages of using a text editor, specifically Vim. Syntax highlighting. Powerful movement commands. Find. Jump to specific location in a file, called a mark. Folding, useful when you just want to see function stubs. To open your file in read-only mode, use this. Here is a basic navigation guide. Here is a link for more information. This URL. Just to recap, if you will use Unix, Vim is pretty fundamental. I have heard that learning Vim is like learning to type. It is the next most useful tool you can learn for programming. Just to avoid editor wars, you could also look into Emacs or another editor, however I personally prefer Vim.
Best of both previous answers, you can invoke System Default Editor from within less by pressing V.
Or
Pigmentize comes as a part of the Pigments Python syntax highlighter.